Do my boobs look big in this? Hi guys, and welcome to a new episode of my channel. Today we have a new unboxing of this beautiful lens. If you ever type Sharpest lens on Google for the Olympus Micro Four Thirds system, this will probably come out. It's the 75mm f1.8, which is on 35mm terms equivalent. It's 150. It's a very zoomed lens for portraits, but I think this is what makes your subject stand out from the background, gives that extra special bokeh, or some people call it bokeh. Anyway, we're gonna find out if it's really as they say it is. I'm just unboxing it in a very bad manner. Oh, look at that baby. Here she is, waiting to be used and abused. Actually, I'm sorry about that. What am I talking about? Oh, that is it. This is the Olympus 75mm f1.8. It obviously comes brand new, supplied by Digital Value and checked. Okay, I'll take your word for it. Just open it carefully, like so. I hope we can open it somehow. I don't like when people stick stickers onto boxes. I mean, what if I want to sell it or do something with it? Why do I have to always keep your name onto it? Anyway, that is probably due to the seller that I bought from, and nothing to do with Olympus. I'm just giving out some of my thoughts as I go along. Look at that now, it's ruined my box. Anyway, here we go. I'm gonna open it and get this baby out. Look at that beautiful lens. Ooh. Wow, for a 75mm this is very neat, and it's got this heavy metal construction, so superb. Here it is, guys. 75mm. I bought it in this silver because I think it's a little bit better than black. Wow, look how wide this is. This is a big lens. It's very wide compared to a 75mm f4.8. It's actually a lot wider. I don't know if you can see that. Let me put my light in a better position. So here's the normal one. The light is still not in the right place, so now I can't see anything. Here's the normal lens, and here's the other one. You can see there is a big difference, and obviously if you zoom in more and more using this 75 to f150, you'll be able to notice the difference. So this is 75 150 f3.5 to f4.6 or f4.6.7. Wow, 4.8 to 6.7, and this is the f1.8 for portraits, 75mm. I can't wait to check out this beautiful lens. I hope we're gonna take some nice pictures. I'm just gonna flip over now. I'm gonna change this lens on here. I'm using the 12mm f2. I'm gonna put this one on now and see what difference does it make. I'm not gonna move from my place, so you can just get an idea. But obviously you're probably gonna be able to see my nose hair with this lens, but that will be something interesting. The diameter of this lens is 58mm. Let's change. All change, please. All change. So we are back again. I don't know if you can see any difference. I'm sure you can see a difference because now I am stuck to your face. Let me move back a little bit. This is the reason why people don't film vlogs with a 75mm or 150mm equivalent lens, because it's very impractical, especially in a small tight room like mine. Here we go. I hope I can be seen from the back here. I'm about 5 meters away now, and still all you can see is my face, just about. So we are about, actually I would say 4 meters. How many feet is that? A meter is 30 feet. Feet. Anyway, I'll figure it out. I'm gonna write it down below. This is the lens. I think it's gonna be very sharp because it's an f1.8 portrait lens, and I've got the lights on, so hopefully it should be light. Let's take it outside and give it a test.
Times So we worked out as 2,198 salars, days, not salars, days. And I started a while ago.
Wow, this is beautiful, I have to say.
Yeah,
هذا جميل. Oh, there's a bag on the tree.
I know, unfortunately.
Ah, that ruined everything.